Hi, I'm Summer. I'm here new to YouTube. I'm a trauma coach. I help men and women who are dealing with or who have dealt with narcissistic abuse. So I want to talk about the hoover. Some people say, wow, this my ex who was a narcissist, they didn't hoover me until about 10 years later. Then they hoovered me, love bombing me, and I fell for it. You know, uh, the narcissist is not going to change. So whether they hoover you 10 years from now, 20 years from now, 1 year, 1 week, the narcissist will not change. So um, they will love bomb you again. You'll go through the cycle again. They'll love bomb you. They'll promise you things. They'll future fake you. We're gonna start together. We're gonna start our family together. I want to do it right this time. They act like they, had a wake up call moment. Maybe like you heard. Maybe you heard about something tragic happening in their family and stuff, and they will yeah, you heard about something tragic, like, from, maybe Facebook or Instagram or something, and they'll even use that. They'll even use, oh, I had a wake up call because my parent died or something like that. It's all a lie. If you know this person to be a narcissist, then that's who they are. They come back, they're so convincing that they're going to be with you. They've changed. They're not the same person they were. They've reached they gave their self to God. They're all these things, and things will be going great. You'll start planning yourself again with them. You're bringing them around people and everything again, and next thing you know, here goes the devaluation stage again, and they start devaluating you, then discard, and sometimes they just straight up disappear. They got their fix. They got that. Maybe they need a fix or something, or they want to keep you. They want to keep you on the hook. They're like, oh, he hasn't seen me. I mean, wow, like I haven't talked to them in a while. Oh, I should keep them back. I should um, keep them on the hook. I should keep them on the hook again in case I need them. And it's really devastating and messed up. After, especially if it's been about 5 years, or even 2, and you've held from this person, and they just come back and hoover you and start it all over. And people can change. People can change, but a narcissist cannot change. If you went through, if like this person was a narcissist, you felt horrible in that relationship, maybe they even physically abused you, they lied, they triangulated you, all these things, and it's better not to take that chance. Just don't take that chance. Hopefully, um, even if you're watching this video, you found someone healthy throughout that time, so you see what that looks like, and just don't go don't go back to that. If a narcissist, and don't think over 20 years that a narcissist has changed. No, they just got better at what they do. Instead of triangulating you with 2 people, with 2 women or men, they know how to do it with 6 now. They're better. They know how to lie and look at you in the eyes with a straight face now. They've learned more. They collected more data. They know more of what people want and what they're and what could, make people tick, how to get their foot in the door faster. Then it probably took them, you know, um, like 5 dates to get to their goal. Now it takes them about 30 minutes to get in and get to their goal. So, yeah, I just want to let you know about the hoover. Someone came to me and they were hoovered, 10 years later, and got sucked back into the trap. So, yeah, I just wanted to bring that up. And please do not fall for the hoover, whatever they said, whatever they did. No, you do not have to let this person back into your life. Please create those boundaries and cut them off. Block them, and just don't deal with it, okay? So if you have got hoovered by a narcissist way later, after you've healed and felt good about yourself, and you want to let me know about it, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video. Bye.